So lokukhulu engikufundzile ukuthi mawuyi artist kufuna ukuthi usebente under a company angeke ukhone ukudimela wena wetfana and ngifundzela ukuthi ke kulula ukuthola imali mawuyi artist uregistile na uregistered nje kulula kakhulu ukuthola imali then nekuthi ke usebenta kanjani as an artist kule industry ngiloko lengikufundzile.
Hi, my name is Ngosenhle Ngampalala, currently doing grade 10 at Somjalosa High. So today I had a great experience where I was exposed to new information. I found out that being an artist, you have to undergo 2 stages where you have to do the composition, preparing the beats and stuff, and then you also have to go to the master, which is the sound recording. I also learned that there are many opportunities where you can get email foundations from Unicom, Conalab, yes. So today I had a very great experience.
My name is Sibusisa Masego. I'm from St. Mark's Primary School. What I learned today is how to make music. And the way to make music, you have to write the composition and the letter. That's what I learned.
Imvo lengiyifundzile namuhla kule summit ngifunze naletinye timvo bengingatati kwekuthi lokuba iwriter kwami akugcini lapho lokuthi ngiwriter yaleyo move nami ngipart of.
My name is Bangabonge Magongo, currently doing grade 9 at Somjalosa High School. What I learned today is how you can apply on the Bushfire Festival. You may write an application or go to a site where you can write your application. Yes, that's what I learned.
Ngitile ngatofika ku summit ngafika ngafunza ukuthi singawenda umusic wethu and asinikete imali ngoba vele sifuna yona. Nako ukushaya tincindi amafilimu but nawo ngendeka ukuthola ukuthi nganyele emalanga bangasikhumbula ngoba vele sekunabofaqata inqumbi lapha nawo but nje ngiyathemba lokusifundzile khona lesitawukuphatha emva kwalokho. Fire day.
My name is Sutuga Zingambule. I'm from St. Mark's Primary. I'm in grade 6. I learned that if you want to write a song, you have to have a sub sheet and a composition.
Sifunzile lokukhulu kakhulu nje bekuyindzaba ye-monetization lesolo isihlele entsanyeni as artist. So sifunzile tingoni leto-ke safunza nekuthi kufuna tiphathe njani kule market world neku-digitalize umsebenzi wethu going forward.
Hello, my name is Yanzokhle Khumalo, currently doing grade 10 at Somjalosa High School. Today I learned about how to get access to funds from UNESCO and the Taiwanese embassy to start your own small business. Thank you.
Lengufundzile kule summit ngokuthi as an artist kufanele uyati the business side. What is the business side of music more than the art itself? And kunengi sakufunza.
My name is Selekana Jobo and I'm from St. Mark's Primary School. I'm in grade 4. Today I learned about applying at Bushfire. You have to go to Google and apply. Thank you.
Ngifunze bomcoka be collaboration neku believe in yourself. As a model nje mina sengiyati ukuthi kunetinto lengeke ngisativuma because ngifunzile ngema contracts netinto lekufuna ngi associate nato. Ngiyabonga.
Hello, my name is Meloko Hlemayat. What I've learned about is that when you're making a song, you have to make an agreement with the producer. You must sign a split sheet. Yes.